A riff takes up two sounds. We count that as and one or a one. Your riffs can be done parallel, turned out, but they go from basically underneath your body and they push away from you. You want to strike the ball of your foot and scuff your heel forward. When we talk about the ball of your foot, it can be either executed as a brush, it can also be done as the ball of your foot and then scuff, or it can be done as a nerve ball where you strike it much faster and then press away from you. Ideally, that nerve ball into the scuff is our end goal for advanced tap dancers. You want to make sure that it is a very crystal clean two sounds that you are making out of your foot, but it happens very, very fast. So you need to start off slow and ease into it to make sure that you're cleaning up those sounds and execution properly. I will see you tomorrow as we start talking about the difference between traditional and conventional riffs for the next 2 days. Tomorrow we are going to be starting with our traditional riffs. I will see you then.